Hello and welcome to our first ever unboxing here on Out of Spec Scoots. We are unboxing the MacWheel MX Pro electric scooter. This is a 350 watt, reasonably priced, about $5.99, $6.99, depending on which sort of day of the week you're buying, depending on sales. Seems very reasonably priced. 15.5 mile an hour top speed. It's their Pro version. They only actually have the Pro. They also have a kid scooter, and then they also make a 26-inch wheel diameter electric bike. What we're going to be doing is unboxing this, setting it up, and maybe even taking it for our first ride. That's what we'll do with every review unit here on Out of Spec Scoots. And then, of course, we'll have our range testing, charging testing, overall reviews, top speed tests coming in the future on this exact unit right here on this channel. Stay tuned. Well, we're not in our typical unboxing place. I say typical because, this is our first one, but we're going to be doing this nicer in our office. So let's dig into this. Let's see, what side of this do I want to use? Yeah, that should work. And let's break this thing open. So, box looks like it's been through a lot, being shipped out here. There we go. We have a couple little pull tabs on my side to get the box undone. Let's set this up this way. Oh, I think it's going to come out of... Oh, I'll tilt it towards you so you can see. Just looking inside of it now. Here we go. Wow, this is not bad for packaging. This looks pretty simple, actually. The unit's in here, a couple little foam pads. We'll pull off to the side. Looks like the unit's just going to kind of slide right out of the box. This might be the best first setup ever. It looks pretty simple. We got the unit right here. Let's pull the box out of the way. See if there's anything else inside. There is a couple of things in the box left over. These will be much better shot, I promise. We have a charging brick. We're going to have to label those for all of our things. And we have, owner's manual, MacWheel. Everything looks really quite nice, actually. Let's see what else we have. We have perhaps a battery cover of sorts. And I think, yep, that's everything. So now we're done with the box. Let's kind of tidy this up a little bit. This is going to be our quickest unboxing ever. Some of these e-bikes we're going to be reviewing are insanely complicated to put together, but I have pretty good news about this. This looks super simple. By the way, I haven't looked at any instructions or anything like that. So here's the unit. It looks like they've kind of held it together with, just these cables are holding it on, and it looks like it's just two bolts that need to go in. Is that really, truly it? That's pretty incredible. We'll take this plastic buffer off. We'll take this one off. We'll get... Let's see, we need to find the hardware, because what it looks like is this would be our power connection for the front light right here. You can see a little coupling. We have our brake line, and then it just has one folding point, front hub motor. It's a brushless motor too, which is pretty cool. Here's our throttle. Wow, this is looking great. And I think this piece goes here. Yes, it does. So I don't know if that broke off. No, it just looks like it snaps on. Interesting. All right, let me get this handlebar bolted, and I think that's literally it. Okay, so that slides into place and sort of locks in as well. That's really nice. We have, some two screws right here with a little bit of pre-Loctite on them, it looks like. Bolts in 4 ways, front and rear. So I'm just going to thread these on finger tight for now. And that's literally our setup and unboxing. I'll charge the battery, as I always do before I ride them, to 100%. Just to get a good initial charge on it so we can have some fun later on. And then we're good to go. Yeah, just a little Allen hex nut here. Yeah, forgive me for this video being so boring. We will have, really nicely produced unboxing videos with close-ups and instructions. I just wanted to get this one unboxed so I could ride it a bit before, and I knew this was going to be a pretty easy one to unbox actually here. So yeah, let me get these 4 screws in. Looks like they just slide right in pretty nice. and then we'll take it out. So you can see here on the bike, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these screws. Just taking a little Allen key here, and you'll see it slides right in, and just gently twisting it to the right like this. Going to install all 4, won't be too hard, and then we'll go to the next. As you can see here, I have all of these screws put in there. I just tightened them pretty good. We're going to raise this. By the way, I wheeled it out of its plastic just briefly. So let's do this one-handed. Wow, that's actually pretty simple. And then we'll clip the front end. You can see this hook goes into this little compartment there, locked in. We can put the little kickstand down. There we go. And now, boom, we got ourselves 4 screws. Holy smokes. That's like cheating. It's so easy. That's amazing. I know you guys will like this part. Ready? Ooh, nice. So from there, it's just pretty simple. This little piece, I think, just needs to be glued down. You can see there's a little screw right here. So let me grab this. I believe it goes this way. And then to turn it on, I'll just read the instructions really quick. And yeah, long press, power on or off. There we go. And she's on. How about that? That was super, super simple. Gotta love that. And yeah, pretty nice. And then you have your power levels. Double press to turn on the headlight. There we go. Ready to rock and roll. Unboxed. Simple as that. Brakes seem to work right out of the box too. Little jet, little bell. How about that? That's sweet. Thing looks really solid. I'm going to charge it up and get it out on the path.